This 2020 Forest River XLR Boost 27QBX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, awning, external shower, oven, leveling jacks, LP detector, Colorado detector, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River XLR Boost 27QBX is 7,479 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.